Okay guys, just a quick update. So I'm going to show you what's going on with Bitcoin. I'm going to give you some price targets, and I'm going to show you what I'll be doing today, which is going to be pretty exciting. So if you paid attention to the last video, I'll put a link up to it now. I told you exactly what to pay attention to. I said the Dow Jones was potentially topped out right here at 35,769 to potentially start dropping. You see the Dow Jones is already down 300 points. I told you the DXY was at support to potentially start pushing up, and I also said Bitcoin was testing a key resistance, which is actually the neckline of a huge head and shoulders on the daily, which would be resistance to start coming down. You can see Bitcoin price is starting to drop. If you are subscribed to my charts and you have access to my Twitter, I try to help you make good trades. This was 18 hours ago. I said your next resistance on the C1 chart was 44,700 to 44,900. You can see how this played out. We hit this yellow line and we dropped. And then I made another tweet here. I said, look, this is resistance, C1 resistance blue channel. That was this point right here. And you can see we came down. This is the actual chart. So I told you to short right here at 44,900. We dropped. It came down, found support on this trend line, pushed up. So your next point to short was right here, 45,177. Now we're coming down. Your next support level on this chart to pay attention to is right here at 42,661. And I told you, just like I said before, this would be a nice point to catch the bounce, 40,863. This is really quick, guys. I'm just going through as fast as I can. So look, Dow Jones coming down, DXY pushing up, Bitcoin's dropping. And again, I'm just saying if you want to play along, 40,800 to 41,000 seems like a likely point to put in a long, as I said in yesterday's video. So today what I will be doing is I will be creating two charts. I will be creating a Bitcoin chart. I will be creating an Ethereum chart on the BitGet exchange. And actually, when I create these charts, they're going to be swing trading charts on the 15 to 30 minute. So I'm actually going to record myself doing this. So if you have access to my tutorial videos, you will be able to see how I create these swing trading charts on the smaller time frame. Once they're created, I found a way to get these charts into BitGet. So you can actually take the charts I create, get the elements, put them into BitGet, and then you have your exact points to long and short within this exchange. So again, tutorial will show you how to create the charts, and in the video tutorial that I'm going to make today about how to trade using this exchange, I'm also going to show you how to get those charts into this exchange. But that's what I'll be working on today, guys. Do expect some downside. Remember what I said, guys. If we do come down, pay attention to the support. This would be a nice point to enter a long, run 40,863. If it's out here, 40,800. But this was a lot of resistance, so it will flip as support. And when I say long, I just mean up to potentially resistance, take your profit and get the hell out. The CPI data just came out. I'm sure it's pretty bad, so again, I'm expecting some more downside. Guys, that's it. If you want to access my tutorials and my charts, you can access on my website. The link will be pinned in the first comment description. Guys, that's it to the next video. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.